In this video, we'll demonstrate Qlik Replicate using SQL Server and Snowflake. The first step is to define your endpoint connections. Create a new task and choose your replication settings. In this case, we'll be enabling all task options. By choosing to store changes in a separate table, we can use these changes downstream in Qlik Compose to more efficiently update our data warehouse and data marts. Select the source and target location for the data you wish to replicate. This only needs to be defined once and can then be reused in other tasks if needed. In this example, we are building a source connection to a Microsoft SQL Server instance. In this demonstration, we'll be replicating the AdventureWorks database. If you don't know the name of the database, you can click the Browse button to select from a list the specified user has access to. We then add this to our task by clicking the arrow next to our data source. You can also drag and drop. Next, define your target endpoint. We'll use Snowflake on AWS. To save on transfer and storage costs, data is also staged within the Snowflake environment. This target endpoint is again added to our task. Choose which tables you want to replicate to the target. In our case, we will look to replicate from Microsoft SQL Server to our Snowflake Data Warehouse. They can be selected by filtering to a schema or table expression, and then added to selected tables for replication. Selection patterns and expressions can also be used to define which tables should be replicated in the case you have new tables within the database. After clicking OK, the task configuration has been completed and we're ready to go by clicking Run. Initially, Qlik Replicate will execute a full load by automatically creating the necessary tables, schema, and data structure on the target, and populating with data. Qlik Replicate has automatic data mapping, so data can be transferred seamlessly between different database engines or architectures without additional configuration. This interface displays the progress of the full load process, as displayed in the metrics.